passive income strategies for 2025 and beyond. My new book is out. I am just so happy. I'm so thrilled. It's now in Amazon. It's already selling. So you need to go pick up your own from Amazon. I will share the link. I will share the buy link. After this, my new book is out. There are the things to learn. Some things to learn from the book. Number one, I'm not going to name them because there's a lot of them. Save and invest. One advice you need to learn from this and other financial education books. Save, be sure to save and invest. The rich go to work to make money and learn. Not just to make money, but they go to work to make money and learn. Okay, so when you read the book, you will see that I actually itemized the things you will learn from the book. Okay, don't avoid risk in life. Don't avoid risk in life. Manage it because you learn from risk. The reason why people avoid risk is because they don't want to make mistakes. But how can you learn without making mistakes? You learn from your mistakes. So go ahead and get the book. Get it for your child, your grandbabies, your neighbors, because it's a good book to read. The rich buys assets. The rich buy assets. So you do not use your money to buy liabilities. Use your money to buy assets. Use your money to buy assets. Pay yourself first when you're paid. When you go to work and you are paid, pay yourself. Make sure you have a place that's you automate your savings. So pay yourself first. On every payday, pay yourself first. Understand assets and liability. Understand the difference between assets and liabilities so that you make sure you use your money to buy assets and not liabilities. And that is why the rich have a lot of real estate. They buy houses, they buy stock because they appreciate. All these things appreciate. Assets appreciate. Liabilities don't. Financial literacy is a necessity. That is why I wrote this book. And then the other one, the first one, financial literacy is a necessity. So get it anyhow you have to get it. Get financial literacy, financial education, because nobody is ready to teach you financial education. Get it. All right. Understand asset and liability. Financial literacy is a necessity. Money is just a tool. You use money to do other things. The bold get ahead in life. The bold get ahead in life. Just like the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad. It says that when you know what you want, you go get it. You don't keep quiet. You don't be shy. Say what you want. And if anybody can help you, make sure that your network helps you to learn. Your network should help you to learn. Never buy luxuries with your salary. Something we're talking about. You buy assets, not liabilities. Don't buy luxuries with your money, with your paycheck, whatever money, somebody gave you the money. Don't buy luxuries with your money. Never, okay. Understand your cash flow pattern. Make sure you have a book, how you know where the money is coming in and going out. Make sure you look into your subscriptions. Make sure you know what you're paying for. Some of them might even be there for the last 6 months and we don't know them. Okay, never buy luxuries. Understand your cash flow. Avoid failures. Actually, avoiding failures means avoiding success because you learn from failure. You don't have to avoid failures all the time. Someone has to go and do it and learn. People who invented all the things we are using, they did it first and we learn from them. So no taking risk in the biggest, no risk is the biggest risk. Try and take risk. So not taking risk is the biggest risk. Not taking risk is a big risk. So take risks because you learn from the risk. You made a mistake, you learn from that. Job security is an illusion. When you have a job, it's a plan A. Get a plan B. Look for a side hustle. Having a job and saying it is talking about job security, well, it's an illusion because you can lose your job anytime. So get you some plan B, some passive income, so that you can help yourself, or you can have it anytime of any mistake, you lose your job, then you have something to fall back on. So job security is an illusion. Understand the tax code if you can. There's a lot of them coming out every year, but understand the tax code. So you can see I am so happy that because I have a new book out. So it's now in Amazon. It's to go get it. Go get it for you and your family. You need to read this book. Understand the task code. The rich work with their mind, not with their time. Make sure you save your time. You need your time to do so many important things. Make sure that the job you work to make that money doesn't take all the time you have. You need some time for the plan B, for passive income. Live below your means is an advice. Live below your means. The poor see problems everywhere, but the rich see solutions. So also the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad says that the poor sees problems, but the rich sees solutions. Okay, so and he says that broke means it's temporary, but poverty mentality, poverty mindset is eternal. If you don't want to have a poverty mindset. So these are a lot of the things you're going to see in my book, my new book, plan for major purchases, maintain financial discipline. Make sure you know where your money is going. We already said that. Seek professional financial advice if you need to, because I'm not a professional financial advisor, but I'm an accountant. I did a lot of finance and accounting, but still seek for professional advice if you have to. But whatever you can do, go ahead and help yourself with financial education. Help yourself with financial education. Invest in index fund. Develop a long-term financial plan. Develop a long-term financial plan. Monitor your credit score. Monitor your credit score. Use financial tracker app. Use financial tracker app. Participate in employee-sponsored retirement like 403B, 401k, and make sure you match them all out. Explore alternative investment. Invest. And make sure you diversify your portfolio. Reduce housing costs. Make sure that the lights are not on when people are not in. Make sure that the housing cost is reduced to the minimal. Educate yourself about personal finance, financial literacy, financial independence, education. Utilize flexible spending accounts. Participate in financial workshops wherever you're invited and you can get something there. Go ahead and go analyze your insurance policies most of the time. Invest in business. If you can, just open a new business or open a business. Implement a no-spend challenge. Practice mindful spending. We have already said that. So if you're just looking, my book is out and I'm reading part of the book. So go get this book. It's on Amazon. Book is in Amazon today. Go get it. It's in Amazon. Remember to pay yourself first whenever you pay it. The rich buy assets. Rich buy assets. Don't avoid risk. Manage risk, but don't avoid it entirely. Work to learn and earn. You earn money where you're working and you learn too, not just to earn money, but you learn. Okay, you save money and you invest. The rich don't work for money all the time. They just also make sure that your time, you're saving your time. Understand your cash flow. Avoiding failure avoids success. When you avoid failure all the time, you are avoiding success all the time. Job security is an illusion. What I'm saying, if you have a job, that's plan A. You need to get a plan B where you can have a passive income coming in at the end of the month, something else, so that if worse should come towards you, find somewhere else to lay your hands on. Understand the tax code. Make sure you try your best to understand what is going on so that you don't pay all the money you have. Live below your means. That's why you have a budget. Live below your means. Okay, well, thank you so much. That's about my new book that is now in Amazon. You need to buy the book so that you can use it to learn financial education. But thank you so much. I hope you have a great day. Have a great day.